What up everybody, it's your boy Frenchie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you guys how to soft reset your iPhone XS and iPhone XS Max. So the first thing you guys are going to want to do is push the volume button up, down, continue to hold the lock button. Continue to hold the lock button until your phone completely turns off. Once your phone turns off and you see the Apple logo, you can then let go. Alright, so I did it wrong. I let go. You can let go. Don't do what I did, guys. If you mess up the steps, you could just redo it, but yeah, don't do what I did. And there you guys go, your phone has been soft resetted.